Hey, yo, your job is using you. And so what you got to do is you got to use the motherfuckers back. The owner of that job you work at is using you to build wealth. And so what you got to do is use that job to build your wealth too. So the same way that he using you for your labor so he can build his wealth up and build his money up, you use that job for that check so you can take that money and invest it and build up your own company and your own real estate and stuff that you own and build up your wealth too. You know what I mean? Put in what you gonna get out. Put in what you want to get out of it. Give them your all while you there, but on your time off, I mean, after hours, before work, you do what you got to do to invest in yours. Educate yourself, research, study, you know what I mean, and invest that money, invest that time. Don't spend all your off time just watching TV, drinking, playing video games and shit. You know what I mean? Gossiping and shit. Do what you need to do to get to where you're trying to get to.